Jain University is a renowned university in Bengaluru and leader in learning, teaching and research. They were looking to give an international look to their office infrastructure and chose Philips as their preferred lighting partner.
Our group started in 1990 with 60 students and 1 faculty, and today we are around 60,000 students with around 45 institutions across India. See, earlier those time was there when education institution never spent money on all these things. There was a thing that at least a good building is there and good furniture is there, that was a great school. So today the perspective is changed. Then we started doing an international school and other bracket of school called Jain Heritage School. We understand lighting is a very important role. Basically we wanted to give an day lighting in the classroom atmosphere, but an air-conditioned daylight was almost nil. So that's why the lighting came into an important role. Then we also understand that we started using a lot of local fittings when we started our group, thinking that that will be a cost-effective thing to buy. Then later stages we started understanding, even though I spend more money on LED fixtures and things like that, the running cost is pretty low. So that is where we save the money. So we started using many of LED fixtures and the branded fixtures like from Philips and things like that. Basically one is for the life of the LED lighting, LED bulb. So that was one of the criteria. Then we also started understanding the amount of money we are spending on the power consumption, and the power rate is going up every day. So we thought that that is a wiser thing to do, even though it's capex intensive. So we thought that is the money which is saved for the institution when the running cost. I was never imagined that Philips also will cost only that much. People perspective was there, like when you go for a branded, it will cost you 10 times or something like that. It was not so. So it was within our reachable budget. After that, I think every other facility what we have done with Philips only. Even this particular building, which is around 6.5 lakh square feet, it's completely flooded with the Philips. Of course, not an LED, but all with the Philips fixtures. And we are quite happy with the product quality and the services Philips has offered to us.
Jain Group, initially all the Jain Group they were using with the normal brands. So first order we got for this campus, which was around 8.5 million. That was a big breakthrough with the Jain Group. So this entire campus we started supplying. So slowly we have been associated with them.
Mahavir Jain Hospital and Institute is a very popular name in this part of the country. And when we really approached for their corporate office, we understood that they want an office which should be inspirational, and parallelly it should be a green office. Then we had proposed them from our North American portfolio, from Ledolite portfolio, Jump LED, which is one of the unique featured suspended luminaire, along with power balance, recessed 2 feet by 2 feet luminaires, along with other high-end lighting solutions. So, and after that they wanted to see a real mock-up, and it got a real success when they came to our office at PIC. Philips Innovation Campus in Bangalore. They got really impressed and they went for this solution.
Basically, when we started the design of this particular office, so we started searching for the what sort of office we need to do, what sort of fittings we need to do, and things like that. Then the closest was Philips. We started looking at some fixture which nobody has used in this country. That's how we looked at the thing, and aesthetically what happened is it was fantastically getting along with my false ceiling. And when like these fixtures, when we use it for our tables, round tables and discussion tables, was we wanted to something to suspended lighting and things like that. There were products which was less economical in terms of this thing, but we thought we'll experiment this and show how aesthetically it look. And we installed it actually. There is like a number of people that came and appreciated that. And I think Philips has all the products which suits any sort of application. We see a couple of benefits. What usually we look at is one is the cost effectiveness of running cost, and also the benefit is the life of the bulb is more. So I can reduce even the manpower of changing it every time and things like that. So that is drastically reduced. Wherein I have to run the facility with 5 electricians, I have reduced it to 1 electrician. So there is no absolutely no maintenance on the part of the LEDs when I put it across. When they compared your LED lights and the regular lights, LED was an amazing thing. People started telling, even after an hour of like sitting for 8 hours in a classroom, they feel there is a less strain on their eyes. So there was no glare coming onto their eye and things like that. So and heat produced by LEDs are much lower than the other fittings. So my air conditioning, even the ambient control temperature at the classroom was fantastic. Philips as a brand is a big thing for us because Philips is a bigger brand, taking from electronics to home appliances to everything. So as a brand, Philips has built a credible this thing in this country also, across the world also. And nowadays, like even if my own colleagues and my group, if I talk about lighting, the first word comes is it going to be Philips? So that is the brand it has built across the people and the community.